Well, Shep, I think Professor Turley is wrong, to put it gently. He is correct that a purpose of impeachment is removal of a president, but it's not the only purpose. Another possible purpose is disqualification from holding future office, and that's what the Senate would be looking to do here. Look, the Constitution doesn't say directly one way or the other whether you can proceed by way of impeachment against a former official. But the majority of constitutional scholars and experts think it is permissible. It's been done before in our nation's history. And if you allowed an official to evade the disqualification sanction by resigning on the eve of his trial, it would be a very easy way to circumvent this remedy that the founders put in our Constitution.
Yeah, and as we mentioned, there was a vote today on constitutionality. Is that the last word, or can the courts weigh in? What happens?
I think it would be very unlikely to see the courts weigh in. The Supreme Court actually engaged a very similar question some years ago, and they basically said the Constitution gives the Senate the sole power of impeachment, and sole means sole. So there really isn't much of room for the courts to jump in and supervise how the Senate carries it out. So I think in this case, it's a situation where the last word belongs to the United States Senate.
What about the matter of Patrick Leahy, a Democrat, obviously, to preside over the trial instead of the Chief Justice? Does that hurt the Democrats' argument for impeachment?
Well, constitutionally, I think it's permissible. The Constitution says the Chief Justice presides over the trial of a president, meaning a sitting president. So I think it's permissible for Senator Leahy to preside. That said, I think optically it probably hurts the Democrats. One line of attack we are already seeing from the Republicans is that this is a partisan process. And if you have Senator Leahy presiding instead of a neutral justice of the United States Supreme Court, I think that will strengthen arguments that this is a partisan process rather than an objective trial.
Tom Dupree, can't thank you enough. Appreciate your time and expertise. Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.